Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Oberlo to Shopify and is it possible? So first, you just have to go to your Shopify and on the Shopify, you have to scroll down and then click this add apps. Here you can go to your Shopify app store and then search for Oberlo. Then if you see that here, actually you can just simply see this application before and all you have to do is to connect and install. And as you all know, Oberlo is a dropshipping app previously popular with Shopify users, but it was officially discontinued last June 15, 2022. So as a result, Oberlo is no longer available or connected to Shopify, and Shopify ended support for the app and encouraged users to switch to other dropshipping solutions before the discontinuation date happened at time. However, if you go to any web browser and then type Oberlo connect to Shopify, then you will see this page where it helps you on how to add your Oberlo to Shopify, but not really inside the Shopify store. So all you have to do is you go to the Oberlo website, create an Oberlo Shopify store, and then all you have to do is to follow the instruction there. You can now set up and customize your Shopify store, but you must go first to Oberlo website. Unlike before, you could just simply do that within the Shopify page, within the Shopify store. But right now, you can no longer do that, but they give you another option. You just have to go to the Oberlo website, their official website, and then follow the instructions there on how to connect your Oberlo to your Shopify. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.